Hi, and welcome to our video guide for taking perfect body measurements. In order to take perfect body measurements, you'll be needing a non-stretchable cloth measuring tape, pen and paper to take notes of your measurements, and someone to help you in getting measured. Do make sure that you are wearing snug pants and a nice fitted t-shirt without any additional layers over it. Stand up straight and relaxed. Don't tuck in your tummy or push out. Shoulder measurement. Place the tape on top of the shoulders. Measure from the edge of the left shoulder across the back of the neck, continuing to the edge of the right shoulder. Sleeves measurement. Place the tape measure at the edge of your shoulder and guide it down your arm, finishing at the wrist of your desired length. Biceps. By placing the tape measure around the circumference of your bicep, that is, the fullest part of your upper arm, you will get your biceps measurement. Wrist. Place the tape measure around the circumference of your wrist, that is, exactly above your wrist bone, and you will get your wrist measurement. Chest measurement. Measure the circumference by wrapping the tape around the fullest part of the chest or bust. For an accurate measurement, make sure that the tape is leveled all the way around. Natural waist and lower waist. Measure the circumference around your natural and lower waist. Natural waistline is the smallest area of the waist and is usually an inch or two above the belly button. It can also be located easily by bending toward one side. Lower waist. Unlike the natural waist, lower waist is measured at the widest part of the waist and is usually at the belly button or just below. Hips. You can get this measurement by measuring the circumference around the fullest part of your hips. Back length. Place the tape at the center back of your neck or shoulder blade and guide the tape vertically to the center point of your waist or to your required length.